Let's make it a great day. Echo me. The month is December. Yesterday was December 7th. That makes today December 8th. So let's fill it in 12/8/2020. Let's write it in words. December 8th, 2020. I know that today is Tuesday. That means yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. When I saw you yesterday, we had been in school 47 days. 47 plus one more cube is 48 days of school. We've been in school 48 days. So let's make 48 cents. I'm going to try something different. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Remember, these words may be new. We need to be practicing these. Weigh, there, called, look, water, being. Our number is 975. I see that there's a 5 in the ones place. Does that make this number even or odd? Yes, odd. 975 is odd. All right, 975. 976, 977, 978. Go backwards. 978, 977, 976, 975, 974, 973. All right, our number is 247. 247. Look at your hundreds place. Take 100 away, and you have 147. Look at your hundreds place and add another 100, and you have 347. Get our two numbers. Ooh, this one is close. 421. 422. I know that 421 is less than 422.